Welcome, I'm SD Kelly. In today's video, I'm going to be making a rope chandelier. I'm using E6000 quick hold to attach these gems, the larger ones that they have at the Dollar Tree. I'm just attaching them to these glass tea lights. I have everything upside down. I have this mini wreath frame, and I'm deciding exactly where I want these tea light cups to be placed. You could use any color gems you like, of course, and the gems help to provide extra support on this frame. And I'm using more glue to secure these modified tea light holders to the wreath frame. Now I'm attaching this rope from underneath, and this is about a 5mm twine. You can get this kind of spool at Walmart. The twine, the jute twine at Dollar Tree is a bit too thin. The nautical rope at Dollar Tree is a bit too thick. I find that the size is just right for this project. So now I'm just gluing this jute string or twine, whatever you want to call it, and attaching it to the rods of this wreath frame. I did that on the inner and outer ring. So now I'm taking this black wire from Dollar Tree and I'm wrapping it around where I had glued the rope. And this just adds some extra embellishment, plus adds extra security. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if so, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to my channel. Bye for now.